how to create a website for free with your own domain. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website with your own domain. So let's get into it. Now, the tool that we're going to be using today is called Wix. Everyone has probably heard of Wix by now. Wix is a very popular website building tool, and it enables you to create a gorgeous and amazing professional website, even if it's a landing page, a simple website, or a e-commerce store. So you can see these are just some of the websites that I have created using Wix, and these are super professional looking. It takes you under 10 minutes to good website using Wix. Now, to get started with our own website, we're going to click on create new site at the top right over here. I have already created my Wix account. If you don't have an account, you will have to sign up via your email address. It's a simple sign up process. Just enter your email and password and you will be ready to go. Now, after that, Wix is going to ask you, moving on back to our create new site tab, Wix is going to ask you which Wix editor you want to use. They also have the editor X. This is reserved mostly for professionals. So you're going to continue on with Wix over here. And once you continue on with Wix, you're just going to enter what kind of website you are looking to create. Let's say for the purpose of this video over here, I just want to create like an educational website. So I'm just going to search for educational consultant and I'm going to click on next. And what this enables me to do is that it gives me accurate template suggestions to actually help me out with the templates and creation of my website. Now, after that, they're going to ask you some of the recommended features that you might want to add, or some of the other features as well. You can choose to add the features that you need in your website. I'm just going to click on next over here, and I'm just going to only continue with the chat. And now it's going to give you two routes that you can go down with. Now, you can either choose the Wix website editor and you can edit your own website and create your own website from scratch, or use a template to edit your website or create your website, or you can use the Wix ADI to create a website for you. What is the Wix ADI? Well, the Wix ADI is the Wix artificial intelligence, which enables you to actually create a website just by answering a couple of questions, and then it will basically create for you a basic template that you can begin customizing a little more. You can just add the finishing touches and your website will be ready. For absolute beginners and people that just want to get it done with, I would suggest you can use the ADI. And then if you want to actually have more control and more hold over your website, I would suggest going with the website editor. We're going to click on edit a template and we're going to get started with a template. It is a lot more helpful getting started with a template because it gives you a lot more control. You can customize it more. And now you can see over here, they have so many different templates that you can choose from. And you can also take a look at all templates over here. So you can see, if you take a look at the top left over here, they have different categories, different specific niches, and there are so many different niches that they have templates available for, that you basically can pick out anything that you could have thought of. You probably have a template over here for that. So let's say I want to create like an educational website. So you can see there are so many different educational templates available as well. I think I'm going to continue on with this educational theme, and I'll just take out a template that I like. So I'm just going to continue and browse these templates in this category. And if I go back onto the first page, I think this was a pretty interesting template. I'm going to use this preschool template. So this is like a website for a preschool, and I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to customize this template to fit my own preschool, and then I will show you guys how to link your own domain to your Wix website. So it takes like a couple of minutes sometimes to load up your template on Wix. You don't have to worry about it. It just takes a couple of seconds. Once your template has been loaded, you're going to find on your left, you have your editing tools. On your top right, you have basic alignment tools. You have your publishing and saving buttons on your top right as well. Now on your top left, you can see you have your pages. So these are the pages present within this template. And the first thing I like to do is, on your left, you see these buttons over here. The second button is called menus and pages, and I just click on this, and then you can see these are the pages present within this website template. So if there are any excessive templates that any excessive pages that you don't need, you can just click on these three dots over here and click on delete. Click on delete over here. And then you can delete any of the templates that any of the pages that you don't need. And then you can also click on add page, click on blank page. And I will create like a blank page called maybe testimonials, or maybe hear from the parents. Done. and I will create this new page called Hear from the Parents, and I'm going to move this to the bottom over here, and maybe I'm going to move it to the top or the bottom. And now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back onto the home page over here. So you can see the homepage is pretty cute. I don't want to edit anything within the homepage. Maybe, let's say, just to show you guys how to edit, you can see this is like an image from the Wix gallery. If you want to change an image, you're just going to click on the image in the template. You're going to click on Manage Media over here, and then you're just going to, once you click on Manage Media, you can see these are the images. Now I'm going to click on Select All, click on Delete, and then I'm going to click on Add Media, Add Image, and then I'm going to go into over here. So this is the Wix gallery. You can just click on Upload Media and upload your own videos and images, and you can add those to your website. I'm just going to click on Media from Wix, and I'm going to search for kids, and I'm just going to use this image. So I'm just going to be using this image over here. So just like that, you can just add more images as you go as well. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the empty page that I created. Within this empty page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add over here on my left. So on your left, you have your Add button, you have menus and pages, you have site design, add apps, media, you have your start blogging and async business tools. So just to add anything, you can see once you click on the add option, it gives you all these different things that you can add. So first off, I'm going to click on box, and I'm just going to add like a simple little box over here, and I'm just going to place it like so over here, and then I'm just going to click on Command C and Command V, or you can just replicate this box in any way you find appropriate. So I'm just going to enter that, and then I'm going to click on Add, and I'm going to click on Text over here, and I'm going to click on Paragraph Text, and I'm just going to place it over here. And we're just going to write some text over here, maybe regarding the school. So we're just going to add some text. So I've just added some random standard text. You can just add your own text, whatever you feel like. And now I'm just going to expand this container box over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add, click on Image over here, click on Free Wix Images. You can upload your own media as well. And I'm just going to add Parent. And we're just going to add a image over here of a child doing homework. So I've just taken this image. I'm going to resize this, and then we're just going to place this over here. And then I'm going to click on Add. I'm going to click on Text, click on Add Heading, and I'm going to place this down below. So I'm just going to add this over here like so, Smith and Jared story. And then what I can do is I'm going to click on Menus and Pages, and I'm going to click on Add Page. I'm going to click on Blank Page, and I'm going to create a new subpage. So now I'm going to show you guys how to create a subpage. This is going to be Smith and Jared. This is like an entire page. Once you create your page, you're just going to select this page over here, and then you're going to move it slightly to the right under the page that you want it to become the subpage of. So I want Smith and Jared to be a subpage of Hear from the Parent. So now I've added Smith and Jared, and now this is a new subpage. Now if I go on to the Hear from the Parents page, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image, and I'm going to click on link, and this will be linked to the Smith and Jared page. And then this will also be linked. I'm going to click on edit text, and I'm going to click on hyperlink, and I'm going to click on new window and Smith and Jared. So whenever someone clicks on these two, this image and this text, they would be redirected to the Smith and Jared page. And now I'm going to open up the Smith and Jared page, and then you can add all the information about whatever information over here. So I'm just going to add like a reference text just to show you guys. So I'm just going to add this text over here. You can add, your own text. And another thing is that this will open up in the drop-down menu of pages. If you don't want it to appear in the drop-down menu of the pages, you can click on hide over here. So this will not appear in the actual horizontal menu bar at the top, but instead, whenever someone actually clicks on Hear from the Parents, then they click on that image or that link, then this will only appear. So after that, what you're going to do is click on save over here. And now once your site is saved, you can click on edit over here, and now you're just going to edit the site domain, whatever domain you want to enter. You can do that, or you can also add a custom domain if you want. But for a custom domain, you will have to upgrade to a premium version of Wix. So we're just going to edit this preschool like so, and I'm going to click on done over here. And once you do that, you can just, once it has been published, we're just going to go back onto our Wix website or Wix homepage. And now you can see our website is live. So So this is our site. I'm going to open up the site and show you guys what our site is looking like. This is the homepage. This is the here from the parent section. So we're going to open that. And after that, you can click on this and this will open up the new page as well. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your own website using your own domain name. And if you want to add your own absolute custom domain, you're just going to click on select site over here. And once you click on select site, this will lead you to the Wix dashboard, Wix website dashboard. And from your Wix website dashboard, what you're going to do, you're just going to go, and then what you're going to do is you can see you can click on connect your own domain. And this will lead you to the settings within Wix. And now you can just connect your own domain onto your Wix website. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.